Welcome to this Windows 10 and computer channel, and this is to talk about a release of a update. So Saturday we had a cumulative update. I talked about it this morning for version 1809 and everything that is 1709 and before, but it had jumped over the April 2018 update. Well, now we have a cumulative update for the April 2018 update of version 1803. So this is still, from what we know, the biggest market share version of Windows 10. Last Ad Duplex gave 53% of Windows users on this version. So there's a cumulative update that is pushed to you. It comes in the form of KB4512509. And this will bring your build number to 17134.984. Now, this is a optional update. That means if you're on the April 2018 update and everything is fine, you don't have to do it. No security updates in here. It's bug fixes. A big list of bug fixes too. If you do have problems with the April 2018 update, then maybe it's a good idea to install it. But if not, it'll appear in your Windows updates in the separate section of optional updates that you can click download and install. It addresses tons of issues, including digital rights management stuff. One is an issue where some of you might see a crashing settings app. So this is something that is fixed here. Some queries of different apps and addresses that are happening with errors. There's what else? If I take a quick look here, anything special? All sorts of little things, but nothing that is except for the crashing of the settings app, I would say. Maybe and of course some websites with Internet Explorer and Microsoft Edge that might not work well with digital rights management on some files on some websites. The rest is tons of little issues under the hood of different things that are happening. So, big list of fixes, but once again, if you got no problems, you don't have to install this. And actually, the more I see things going, the more I see that if, when there's security updates, cool, apply them, it's important. But when there's these optional updates, if you have no problem, I tend to say just leave it as it is. Anyways, this update will be pushed to you eventually when you get one of the security updates. So next patch Tuesday in September, for example, well, you'll get this with the patch Tuesday if you do nothing. It's the way cumulative update works. So if you're in the April 2018 update, that's what you got. Once again, you got no problems, just leave it alone. If you've got some issues, things that don't work, well, this is a big patch of bug fixes in here. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching our videos.